In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section on the left at the top. Now to create a new one, use this plus icon. And first of all, set up an hour. Then hit OK. As you can see, new alarm was successfully created. Now you need to adjust it by operating all of those options. At the top, select Add Label and click OK to save it. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm. Pick a date and choose OK. To remove it, use Remove button right next to it. Now click on this little bell. Select one of those sound sources or hit Dismiss. If you want to use music from, for example, YouTube Music, click on it over here and log in. You can also select sounds over here right next to YouTube Music. Click Add New under your sounds and pick any song from your tablet in order to apply it as your new alarm one. If you don't want to do that, you can also select one of those sounds by tapping on a perfect one and going back. Then, if you want to add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine, use this plus icon right next to it. To hide all of its settings, click at the top right corner. To turn off or on your alarm, use this switcher next to it. And to delete it, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!